Alright, so what have we got in store for you today? So we've seen how lease options work. How are we going to go off and find deals? How are we going to go off and work and find with investors? How are we going to improve our brand awareness?
I would say, like, what's the 3 major tasks that I need to do tomorrow that will move the business forward, and then I'll choose the main one. So I write 3 things down that'll move it, and I'll go, right, that's the most important. That goes into my 5 AM slot, and that's what I do the next day.
He's taking me with him. But the point being is, start thinking like an entrepreneur and start earmarking that.
Your mindset is your biggest asset, and it's also your biggest failure if you don't know how to control it. Every property deal has more than one way of making the equation work. I directed you to give me one answer. When I said give me the answer. What do you think an estate agent does? What do you think a landlord does? What do you think a property owner does? They give you their equation to the number that they want. However, there's always more than one way to get to the outcome. Before peak performance, if you wanted one-to-one mentorship with me, that's going to cost you over $35,000 to have individual mentorship with me. Do you know why that is? Because I'm worth it. You're getting the value of nearly 70 years worth of business and property experience and creativity. And I will challenge any one of you to find anywhere in the UK this level of knowledge, understanding and expertise for what we're actually asking you to invest in.
So really focus on your marketing. I don't think enough property businesses do enough marketing, and when I do see it, it's very cringeworthy, the stuff that goes out there, and it's just not right. It's never going to penetrate. You're never going to get the response from it, so you might as well not do it. But if you do it right, you will get great responses from it. I'm always collecting content. I'm always taking photographs. I don't necessarily photograph and then upload then. I'm just collecting content in my buckets.
Remember we talked about the matchsticks, how you move it to make something work? So we're going to talk about this specific deal to see, one, if it's a deal, an opportunity, and based on everybody different criteria about an investment as to who it might work for. We'd like to know how it all goes?
Yes.
Okay, so you can move the matchstick to however you want to. Property's about finding the deal to make it work.
Could this emotion have been conveyed behind Zoom?
Less likely.
Yeah? Would we have been able to see the energy from the audience and the opportunity Tom created for himself, potentially? Or even Ryan? Yeah? Because we cannot build this business behind what? A laptop.